Hey everyone, just want to do a little update video for you on this Greenjoy Grow Box. It's snowing here in New Hampshire right now, and so having things like this are just great. This is the whole reason I got into growing microgreens, is because I hate winter, and I love having things growing year-round indoors. So this little grow box is great for that. I want to show you just how it's doing and give you just some insight onto how I think about the box so far. And also a reminder that there's a coupon code. It's just all caps Greenjoy. If you enter that into your checkout on Amazon, use my link above and the coupon will be there as well. You'll get 30% off, which is a big deal. It takes $60 off the price of the product, which to me, this is a smoking deal at $140. I wouldn't tell you that unless I actually believe that. So definitely check that out if you want to. And I did have some people confused because they clicked the link in the description and thought that that's all they had to do to get the discount, and they weren't getting the discount, and that's not true. You have to actually use the coupon code in your cart when you check out to get the discount. All right, so this is what we have. So we've got some spinach here. We've got all different kinds of lettuce in here. We've got some basil as well. The thing is, the basil, for whatever reason, doesn't like this grow box. It's either the nutrients or the light or something. I think it's the nutrients. But I mean, there are decent roots. The purple basil especially is not doing much. I have this basil here, which is like covered by this leaf of lettuce. That one's doing okay, but it's still smaller than I would expect. The lettuce, on the other hand, is doing very well. I am getting some tip burn though. You can see that on this lettuce here. I first noticed it on this lettuce over here. I'm not a big lettuce expert, so I can't tell you even which ones are which, but there's all different kinds in here. This one looks like it's some sort of romaine lettuce, but it's in the same pod as like a red frills or whatever you want to call it lettuce. The lettuce is all done really, really well, and the spinach is doing really, really well. But that tip burn tells me that either the nutrients are too high or they're too weak. I'm not sure exactly, but overall things did still grow pretty good. What I'm going to do with this system pretty soon is I'm going to harvest all this lettuce. We're going to eat it all up, and then I'm just going to put herbs in here, I think, and I'll use it as a year-round indoor herb garden, which is really what they market it as. They call it a herb grow box kit. So that's what I'm going to use it for. I might try different nutrients. I have some nutrients that I really like, made by General Hydroponics. I've shown that in videos in the past, and I really like those nutrients. I've used them to grow everything, and everything grows really well. I actually haven't experimented with all that many different kinds of nutrients just because those ones work so good. However, the roots on the lettuce look fantastic. Look at that. Some great looking roots. So no complaints there at all. The lettuce feels really firm. It's not overly, it's not like too tender. It's pretty nice. Try to get some different viewing angles for you. So overall, I'm very happy with this kit. I think for the $140, which is the discount price, it's a great kit. You know, if you don't want to build your own or whatever, this is absolutely a good way to go. However, I showed another kit. It's not a kit, it's a do-it-yourself style, where I used the Active Grow LED light, and that lettuce is nearly twice the size of this lettuce, so it's doing better. It's also a lot more expensive. The light's more expensive. I had to build everything myself, which I had stuff laying around to do that, so it didn't cost anything, but if you had to go buy everything, it would add up. This little kit is pretty awesome for people that just want to plug something in and go with it. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to put a lot of work into stuff and build your own things, those things usually work better than buying a kit. But if you want something that's just going to work and you don't have to do all the design and trial and error and trying to figure it out, then yeah, this is a good way to go. So this has been a really short update. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, as I said, if you're interested, definitely use the coupon code. It's good till the end of the year. Save yourself some money if you're looking to get something like this. Thanks for watching.